you. Great.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful day yesterday. Apple. Blessing upon my life. Thank you for always that you do. Thank you for the people here that you for watching for city to see that and also this breakfast. Thank you that you set so
Okay.
This is nice.
Cheers.
Enjoy. It's really cool, right? Queen?
No.
It's good. They always offering such kind of event like wedding or celebrations, what kind of event they offer really nice meal here. It's good. And then they all cook that alone. And the food supply is very from this village here, from surrounding. Good. Very experienced. It's good. Next family cooks. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Hallo. Guten Morgen. Morgen. I've seen, I was living in Canada and Bangladesh, I've seen a lot of Indian tribes. They were sheltered in what is that? In houses and districts, original Indian people. The normal original tribes of America is somewhere from Europe in most cases because of the history. And that means that it's a country that is always a country of foreign.
America?
Yeah, of course.
Maybe.
You know why so many? The half of the population in America is somehow
Foreigner.
from Africa.
This is the background of the room. Time check is 11 o'clock. Nearly 12 o'clock, I see. Oh, yeah, 11:05 local time, and in the Philippines is 5:05 maybe. Yeah. Yeah, we have very blessed time together with the family of Zonke, and I really appreciate for the what is it? Warming, welcoming, for me. What's that? How to say it? A heartful, whatsoever. How to say that? I don't know how. So after breakfast, we prepared to go out to look around for a while. So here's our hotel. We spent one night here together with the breakfast. As you can see, it's very nice here. Yeah, very green. And then you can cook here. It's inclusive. Yeah. Then our room. Two bed. Think a table, sink. Is this used for like church activity, like seminars, whatsoever? But lots of people come here as a Christian to rent this room. They have function hall to have a, if you have a wedding celebration or birthday, everything, seminars. Yeah, so green. And look at that, going to rain again. And then we go to the other side of this area. I don't know what's the in the beach. Yeah, we go there before we go home in our place in Elmshorn. And let's see what the next rest first, maybe. And maybe tonight we go out again. Oh my god. It's holiday. Okay, for today, that's it. And yes, I will show you everything. My life here in Germany. Thank you so much. And see you in my next vlog. Bye. My outfit. Yeah. And whoa! Because it's cold, is I think it's 40. 40 is temperature. Yesterday is 14 and raining. I think today is 16 degree, so not so cold, but it's windy. Yeah, so always wear a jacket extra, put on front, in front of, or beside you, and when you ride a car or traveling. So you need some jacket beside you, that when you go out in the car or you need to go walk, you have jacket.
Sorry, finished now.
Say hi. Say hi.
What?
What? What?
What's inside the A? Yeah.
What?
So, finished now.
We go where after this?
First down to the sea, maybe.
And then we go home, or we go to the other,
No, to the other city.
what's the other city? The name of the city?
Eckernförde. It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Eckernförde.
Okay, see you next time and see you in
Bye-bye.
my next
But
vlog.
first,
Bye.
let me